All right, so say if you are creating an engineering drawing for or a technical drawing for your model, what you can choose is on the left panel, you can select drawing, and from design, you can select the body that you are trying to create the drawing on. And depending on either if you are using metrics or inches, you can select either like ASME or ISO. And for us, let's just choose A4 for the sheet size because that's most of the printers use. And select OK. And we can see that once it actually automatically selects the scale based on how it fits on the A4 size. So you can click wherever that you want to put the first original base view on. So once we click it, we can directly hit OK if you're okay with this, but we can also change it to the maybe just top view for our original like baseline view. And then also here you can select either if you want to just show the visible edges or visible and hidden edges. So difference would be if you click visible edge. Actually, let's just hit OK and then see if we can change it after double clicking it. So when we double click it, you can still change the settings of the appearance. And here you can either select visible edges or visible and hidden edges. If you add a little bit of color, then you can select shaded or shaded with hidden edges. But I usually go with visible and hidden edges if possible, or visible edges. And you can change the scale whatever that you want, such as like 1:1 scale if you want to see in 100% scale of how it's going to actually be fabricated. But let's say the scale is 2:1 here, and select hit close. And you can also create projected view from the base view. So click projected view, and once you click the parent view, then it automatically shows the side. And for example, if you want to see the bottom view, what we can do is select the projected view again, and then click the side, and then we can re-click from the side view and reorient or move the object or move the views to the locations that we want. In this case, we can see the top, bottom, and the side view of the keycap that we are producing. And for example, if you want to make it visible for the like hidden edges, you can also select visible and hidden edges so that you can see the inside part of it. And also we can add another base view. And for example, here I want to use some of the shaded color and see a little bit of isometric view from different perspective. I can also select that and hit OK. In this case, the reader of this technical drawing would be able to recognize what part this is. And if you want to give information about the dimension, you can click dimensions. And just as how we gave dimensions on 3D modeling, we can still do it on the technical drawings too. So if you hit 2 of the points, then we can give the exact dimension, which is 18 millimeters here, or click the diameter so that we can give pi as 5.6. And also you can give the angle between 2 lines. Let's just undo it and redo with the dimension. For example, if you are giving the angle, then you can click 2 of the edges and then show what the angle of this part is. And in this way, you can create your own technical drawings, and you can also write the information about what it is in this section. Or if you just want to use the image itself, then you can just simply delete this. And once you're done, you can save the file, and then you can export it as PDF if you want. And if you want some drawing file, or export a sheet as DXF, because if you want to, for example, use laser cutter, you can also do that if you want. So this is how you actually create the technical drawing using Fusion 360 if you want to use this as an appendix for your final report.